Congress can be a very complex ecosystem. For most representatives, the constituent should be of the utmost concern. However, there are those that allow money to take a front seat. These representatives are the feeding ground of the railroad lobbyists. Whenever safety regulations threaten profits, these railroad lobbyists depend on greedy representatives to stop the regulations in their tracks. There may be little hope for the Railway Safety Act. Its purpose is to keep two-person train crews. The only benefit of reducing crew size on freight trains is to increase profits for billion-dollar railroad corporations. The risks come primarily for those living and working around railroad tracks. Only time will tell if it will survive and become a law. Call your representatives and ask them to support the Railway Safety Act. It may be what protects your ecosystem from a destructive train derailment.